Triceps tendonitis causes and treatment. Triceps tendonitis can be referred to as a condition that falls under the group caused by tissue damage to the triceps tendon, causing pain in the back of the elbow. The triceps is located at the back of the upper arm, originating at the shoulder and stretching down to the forearm. The triceps muscle is in charge of straightening the elbow as well as in aiding in shoulder movements. When this muscle is contracted, tension is placed on its tendon. With too much tension, either from a heavy force or severe repetition, damage occurs that leads to inflammation and degeneration. With continued abuse, those injured lose the capability to fully flex and stretch the elbow while the tendon itself becomes more brittle. Generally, a stiffness or ache is felt at the back of the elbow that increases with rest after repetitive activities that activate the muscle. Any pain that gets worse when the arm is extended is a big indication. Other times, the ache can swell into an acute pain when an activity is performed. Sometimes there is swelling, a feeling of weakness when straightening the elbow, or pain when firmly pressing into the tendon. Acute stage symptoms are characterized by swelling, redness, pain, and possibly a local sensation of heat, indicating inflammation. If coolness makes your pain feel better, then the acute stage treatment is recommended. Apply the Sinew Herbal Ice on your arm to reduce redness, swelling, and inflammation while dispersing accumulated blood and fluids to help restore normal circulation to the arm. This first aid treatment is used in place of ice to significantly speed up the healing process. It reduces the swelling and inflammation more effectively than ice, allowing you to more quickly regain range of motion. Ice is not recommended because it does not help repair damaged tissues and keeps everything in the injured area frozen, causing the stagnation of blood and fluids and the contraction of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In Chinese sports medicine, ice is not used and is considered a culprit in injuries that don't heal well. Massage your arm with acute sinew liniments to relieve pain, reduce swelling and inflammation, break up clotted blood and stagnant fluids, and stimulate circulation of blood and fluids to help cells quickly repair damaged tissues. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Chronic stage symptoms begin once the swelling and inflammation are gone, but you still feel pain, stiffness, weakness, and/or sensitivity in cold and damp weather. If heat makes your pain feel better, then the chronic stage treatment is recommended. Massage your arm with chronic sinew liniments to relieve pain and stiffness, strongly stimulate circulation and blood flow to damaged tissues, and promote the healing of overstretched tendons and ligaments. Apply the Sinew Injury Poultice on your arm to significantly stimulate circulation and blood flow to damaged tissues, relieve residual pain and stiffness, and further promote the healing of overstretched tendons and ligaments. The Sinew Sports Massage Oil is recommended for use before and after exercise, sports, and strenuous activity. It warms and stimulates your muscles, increases circulation, and relieves tightness, hence improving your performance and helping to prevent injury. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. To learn more, visit sinewtherapeutics.com.